Hey guys, today we're gonna unbox this G502. This is a Logitech mouse. I got a request to unbox this, and yeah, that might sound useless, but some people wants to know what you get in the box, and this video is going to be about that. So this has got apparently light sync, and that'll help you to change your lights or the atmosphere of your PC and sync the mouse lights to your PC. That's how I understand it. And yeah, I've never had a mouse like this. This is a very expensive mouse in my eyes, but it's actually very low, priced very low in the mouse or the gaming mouse realm. So let's get this off the sticker and see what's in the box here. Okay, it just opens up like this, and then you pull out the mouse. Let's just see what else is in the box. There's a little, oh, this is a little sticker, Logitech G sticker, the G502 sticker. And in this one, what's this? This is just some other Logitech stuff that you get. A little bit of advertising there. So let's check this out. This is, yo, I don't even want to touch it. This is a gorgeous mouse. It's quite weightful. It does feel very, very sturdy. Let's just hear there. So the clicks are, wow. Even the mouse wheel is like weighted. It's a very heavy. You can feel that it spins up quite nicely. Then you've got programmable buttons over here. 5 of the programmable buttons on the side, just all for your thumb. I think these you can click with your index finger, and then these you can click with your thumb. So, and then you've got your left and right click. Oh, this can also tilt left and right, so you can scroll up and down and scroll left and right. There you've got your, it looks like speed and maybe, oh wow, okay, so this is to lock and unlock the scroll button. So when you unlock it, it's when you've got those long web pages or whatever, scrolling is a pain. You just pull this thing and it just runs. That is amazing. And when you lock it again, it's back to the normal click or ratchet feeling kind of a scroll. On this side, both sides has got this rubberized texture. So it's a rubber thing. So you've for grip on the mouse. At the bottom you've got your pads on which the mouse is going to be moving around. That's also a very nice logo there. Specs and stuff on this mouse, you can check that out on the internet itself. Let's quickly get this out of this box. I've been holding this thing for too long now. There's a bit of Velcro on here, so just to keep the thing neat and tight. If you've got a laptop or mobile situation, you can, or the extra cable, you can just, you know, keep that nicely bundled up. There's a little booklet in here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you can open up the bottom of this mouse and insert some weights. Oh, okay. So this is, it's magnetized. So this is your little chamber where you can insert extra weight for this mouse. It's already a decent weight, hey? Let's put this on the scale. It's about 119 grams. The wire it's a bit difficult to weigh it. The wire is also extra weight on the thing. And then I'm going to put the mouse on there, and we get 122 grams. So my scale might not be the most accurate scale in the world, but let's quickly see the weights that you can add to this thing. These do say 3.6 grams on them, but they never weigh that. They never measure that on my scale. So 3.53, 3.47. So this one and this one is the same. This one is 3.5. This one is also 3.5, I think, and this one will also be 3.5. Oh, okay, 349. Yeah, so that's the weights which you can add to the mouse. Let's put all of this onto the scale. So in total, almost 140 grams for the mouse. But I do like this feature, and I do like the look of the mouse. This is an amazing little mouse. The cable is not braided. The cable is like a silicon type of wire. It's very thin, but I believe that's for ease of use. But it's not braided. Just note that. Okay, so this is if you want to see how the weight is installed, but I guess it's very simple. So to install weights into the mouse, you just open it up, and you can just place your weight. There's little rubber, sticky kind of a surface, so it keeps the weight in place. And you can just add weights wherever you like. If you prefer the mouse to, I don't know, if your wheel alignment is not right or whatever, then you just add the weight to that side and close it up. There you go. Got 3.6 grams there, or 3.54, or 3.7, or 3.47. I don't know. The weights they do seem to differ a bit from what's written on there. But in any case, yeah, that's the thing with the weights installed. This one feels like very high quality compared to my mouse that I'm using. Let me show you. Wee. Okay, this is my mouse. Also Logitech. This is the M555B. I got this years back, and I don't think you get them anymore. But this is a Bluetooth mouse. Also got that, you know, let me put the mic there. It's got that normal scroll, and then if you hard press it, if you spin it, it just runs freely. So that's a very nice feature. This is your middle click. Just to use instead of that one that's the middle click, this one is now the middle click on this mouse. And yeah, I've been using this for years and it's working fine, and this is an amazing little mouse. Also laser, but not, I mean, that's quite this thing. So the mic is back where it should be. And yeah, that's the G502 unboxed. If there's anything you wanted to know about this thing, hopefully I've covered all of it. I'm not going to use it, so that's every person's own experience. So good luck, enjoy testing, and enjoy the mouse. Thanks for watching.